Ay! Pagyawas. Happy ni Ate Meme yan. Dati na. Anak ko. Anak ko. Donna ang tawag sa kanya, Donna.
Not even fishermen. Or sure, you really are a cookie sounder. I'm not. You never guessed what I found today. There was floating a really tight ship. What is it? I'll say, look. Have you ever seen anything so wonderful in your entire life? Wow. Ooh, what? I don't know.
Nilagyan
But
ng
it's
extension ang buhok
somewhere.
niya.
Come on.
Hindi. Yan din yung extension ang buhok na yan. Ng blondie.